Indoor board installation. Fan L and N line. Connect them with the L and N terminal of the indoor board, respectively. Fan compressor control line and connect it with copper terminal. Fan 0 line and connect it with N terminal. Find signal line and connect it with terminal of the four-way valve. Is the outdoor AC fan connection terminal? If the outdoor fan is not AC fan, then it is DC fan. If the outdoor fan is DC fan, there is no need to connect it. Please confirm the type of indoor fan, PG fan or DC fan. The indoor fan will be one of them, and they won't coexist. Firstly, is the installation of indoor DC fan. Pay attention to the line sequence and ensure to connect them correspondingly. If you have a wrong connection, it will damage the indoor DC fan. The line sequence of indoor DC fan is VM line, GND line, VCC line, VSP line, FG line. Now, connect the indoor DC fan. The simple way to determine one end is the distance between VM line and GND line is larger than distance between other lines. Secondly, is the installation of indoor PG fan. There are 3 lines for indoor PG fan, including control line, zero line, and starting capacity line. Please confirm the line sequence and connect it with the terminal of indoor board correspondingly. Connect the indoor PG fan. Connect the starting capacitor. Connect the room temperature sensor, pipe temperature sensor, display panel. Connect the step motor. Pay attention to 12-volt common ends. The default setting for dyno switch is at the number side, which is suitable for DC compressor. Before installation, please identify the compressor type, DC inverter or AC inverter. For AC inverter, please set it to on-site. Connect the electrolytic capacitor board with the outdoor inverter board. Connect the compressor control line with the COP terminal. Connect the zero line with N terminal. Connect the compressor wires. Find the compressor UVW wires and connect them to the UVW terminals of the outdoor inverter board. Connect the outdoor DC fan. Pay attention to the line sequence. If it is not connected correspondingly, it will damage the outdoor DC fan. Connect the outdoor DC fan. Pay attention to the line sequence. Connect the electronic expansion valve. Firstly, confirm 12-volt common ends, then connect it. If the electronic expansion valve rotates reversely, you need to adjust the line sequence of A, B, C, D. Connect exhaust temperature sensor with the compressor exhaust terminal. Connect the four-way valve lines. One line connects S terminal and one line connects N terminal. After the heatsink of Conda outdoor inverter board is coated with heat-conducting silicone grease, fix Conda outdoor board on the heatsink of original outdoor board. The installation of this inverter board is completed.